In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully cancel an envelope in your Docusign account. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you expertly navigate your way through the Docusign platform to void any envelope that's no longer needed. First and foremost, you'll want to begin by logging into your Docusign account. This process ensures that you have access to all your documents and settings, so it's a crucial first step. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the intuitive interface that Docusign offers, which is designed to streamline your workflow. Next, direct your attention to the Manage tab at the top of the page. If you're using a business or enterprise account, you might find this labeled as Agreements, but don't worry, it serves the same function. This section houses all of your pending and active documents, typically categorized for ease of access. Now, it's time to locate the envelope you intend to cancel. When in the Manage tab, you'll observe that envelopes are neatly organized under various categories such as Waiting for Others, Sent, or In Progress. This categorization helps in finding the specific document you need to address. Simply scroll through these sections to find the envelope in question. Once you've spotted the envelope you wish to void, go ahead and click on its name. Doing this will open up the detailed view of that particular envelope, allowing you to see its current status and any related information. This step is crucial as it ensures you're working with the correct document. In the detailed view of the envelope, move your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a More button, which, when clicked, will reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, you should select the Void button. Voiding an envelope is a significant action, so it's always placed prominently in the interface for quick access. After clicking Void, you'll be prompted to provide a reason for voiding the envelope. This step is vital, as it not only informs the recipients, but also keeps your records straight, reflecting transparency in your decision. Make sure your message is clear and succinct, as this will be sent to all involved parties. Finally, to complete the process, click on the Void Envelope button. Confirming this action will officially cancel the envelope and notify any other participants involved. It's always a good idea to double-check everything before making it final, just to be sure you're voiding the correct document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently void an envelope in Docusign when the need arises. Whether due to changes in agreement terms or simply a mistake, knowing how to manage your documents effectively keeps your affairs in order. Thanks for following along.